Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video today we are going to discuss certain details of phase 2 coding paper in the SEBI IT exam. Some of you might already know these details, some of you may be reading this for the first time. So let's start the video. This has been the vacancy trend in IT post over the past 3 recruitments. You can pause the screen, you can take a screenshot and you can check out how many applicants have been there, how many students appeared for phase 1, how many appeared for phase 2 and interview. Moving ahead, in your phase 1 you have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Phase 1 is only qualifying and for that you need just 80 marks out of 200. 30 in paper 1, 40 in paper 2 and another 10 marks to complete your 80 marks and then you will appear for phase 2. Phase 2 has paper 1 descriptive English and paper 2 is your coding paper. The syllabus of paper 2 for phase 1 and phase 2 is also given. You can check this out from the notification. The weightage of various topics is also given in the syllabus. So you can go through it, you can understand what is the requirement of this exam. This is the detail that I was talking about. Total duration of the programming test shall be 3 hours 30 minutes. 30 minutes reading time is given and in the next 3 hours you have to run your code on the Pariksha platform and try to pass maximum test cases. The programming test will comprise of 9 questions out of which you have to attempt 6 questions. Simple questions you have to attempt 3 out of 4 given. Each question is of 10 marks. Medium level questions 2 out of 3. Each question is of 20 marks. For high level question 1 out of 2. Each question is of 30 marks. So simple questions total of 30 marks, medium 40 marks, high level questions 30 marks. So your total coding paper will be of 100 marks. It is also mentioned in case a candidate solves more than the required number of questions. आपको 9 में से 6 questions attempt करने हैं. अगर आप ज़्यादा attempt करते हो, let's say there are 4 simple questions जिसमें से आपको 3 attempt करने हैं. But you attempt all the 4 and by running the code you get 10, 6, 8 and 8 score. Then the best 3 scores will be counted. So if you get 10, 6, 8 and 8 in the 4 simple questions, your overall score will be awarded as 10 plus 8 and 8 out of 30. The programming languages that are allowed on the Pariksha platform: C++ 9.3, Java 1.8, Python 3.5 version. Also, after writing a program for any question and submitting it to the grader, the system will compile it, and if compilation is successful, then test the program against system outputs. There may be multiple system test cases for each question. If the program's output for any test case is as expected, then the system will show output as Y, else X shall be shown as output. For any question, if you get 2 or more Y's for the test cases, your submitted code shall be considered for evaluation and based upon the number of Y's, you will be assigned marks proportionately. For example, if you get 3 Y's for 6 test cases, you will get half of the maximum marks assigned for that question. If you get 1 Y, then 0 marks. If you get 4 Y's, then 2/3 marks. If you get 6 Y's for 6 test cases, then you will get the maximum marks assigned for that question. And in case you are having multiple submissions to the grader, then the attempt having a maximum number of Y's would be considered for evaluation. So you should become familiar with the Pariksha platform. Probably you can check out if the demo link is open, else the link for practice on Pariksha platform will be open after phase 1. Meanwhile, you can just make yourself familiar with the Pariksha platform with the questions how to run the code. You can read the rest of the details from this information handout. If you are preparing for this exam and you are in need of any form of content, study material, mock test, practice questions, you can check out our SEBI Grade A IT comprehensive course. We are starting a 40 days crash course from today. In the evening, you will have your intro class and class on phase 1 MCQ discussion with Jayanti ma'am. She will also guide you how you can best use the content in this SEBI Grade A IT course. So if you are in need of any guidance, you can check out our courses. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.